Hey Billy, so to paint this beautiful reference, we need gesso, this blue color, ocean sea blue color, black, white, and yellow shade of Montmartre, also some sign pens, and yeah, so let's paint. Alright, here I'm painting this BMW M3 GTR version of car, and it's from Hot Wheels. First, I'm gonna make a sketch of this car. You can see here I had a really issue of sketching the tire of this car. I kept removing and sketching, and then I covered it with gesso so that it gets smoother. And now we are gonna paint. Well, I'm not going to talk much in this video because it was all about fixing and adjusting the color shades and using different colors with mixing with other colors, and it's really hard to explain it through the video, so just keep watching on my video and you'll notice everything. You'll get to learn everything. You can see here I used marker in some places so that it can be easier to paint, as I have really shaky hands and it gets out of the line sometimes. So yeah, sometimes it's good to cheat. I am almost done painting the car and now just giving the outlines by using this black colored marker. And suddenly I thought that I could give it a really better background. As you can see, the reference is so much plain. I wanted to look a bit fun. So yeah, I did a bit of abstract painting here and used all these lines and color mixing. First, I painted it with blue color, and then the shade was getting lighter. So it was, I don't know if you liked this shade, this idea or not, but yeah, I think it's really fun. And also, then I wrote the M3 GTR part. It was the most fun part for me because yeah, it was just fun to actually write this on my canvas. And I, after finishing writing it, I covered it using fluid and then used white paint. You can see the whole background was in blue shade, so I decided to paint the whole M3 GTR part in white color so that it pops out really well. The last part is painting the logo of BMW and then it's done. Alright, so here's the final look and I hope you liked it. and also enjoyed painting with me.
So that's all for today. Subscribe to my channel.
Channel and stay tuned with me. Thanks for watching.